BMW, we meet again. Alright, so this is my sister-in-law's car. Check this out. So they got this back window here. You can see that little piece of cardboard holding it up. You also got some tape residue on the window. And this window is essentially just dropping down. You can see there's like nothing holding it up. And the problem with these cars is the window regulator actually has a really cheap piece of plastic. So here's the new part right here. Link for this is in the description below. As you can see here, this piece of plastic is just better manufactured. It's a better design, and it's just more robust. Now this car happens to be a 328i. Alright, so again, here is the new part, and I'll show you the old part right now. Let's go ahead and rip this door panel off and see what we're dealing with. And all these screws are a T20 bit. Alright, and I don't have my toolkit with me, so I'm gonna have to jerry rig it with something like this. I've got this bit that fits, and then this little tiny temporary wrench that fits over the end of this, and I'll be able to unscrew it. Alright, so I got this quarter, and that fits over this, and I've got this. Making things happen over here. There is an Allen screw right there. I'm gonna skip over that one for now and work on the rest of these. There's one right down here, it's pretty recessed. And then I believe there's one more here on the right side. Actually, don't need to remove that one. This should pull straight up, just like that. Alright, thankfully we have this hot SoCal weather right now. This will peel right off. If not, if it was during the winter time, you would just need to heat this up with a heat gun. Alright, to remove the regulator, you just need to remove this nut here, bottom nut, and then there's one here. There's that cheap piece of plastic right there. Alright, so here's the old part right here. This is the new one. You can see the difference in the plastics here. Has a whole pulley system and the metal wire as well. So you need to transfer the electronic regulator from this one to this one. That's hilarious. Well, this plastic broke, and then this whole thing is supposed to be connected to it, and then yeah, like it looks like someone tried to roll the window up and it was just getting locked up in here. It's supposed to be on this right here.
What, you need that part?
Yeah, this is the motor right here. So yeah, this is the old one right here.
It's done.
Yeah. This is the new guy. Hopefully the teeth aren't chewed up too much. Should be alright though.
What happens to this?
Nah, it'll be good. That's like way better, dude. It's all metal, whereas this one was plastic on this side. Alright, so I think this should be good. We just put it back in. Alright. Now I just need to put these back in. Reconnect this wiring harness. This one nut down here at the bottom. There you go. It's the old guy right here. You can see just how this cheap and brittle this plastic is, and then even this backing piece was plastic as well, whereas this is made of way more resilient plastic, and then the whole back of it is metal, including the screws. These were just self-tapping screws into this plastic. These are actually metal and threaded. Completely off the track. Alright, so let's go ahead and check this out, give it a quick test.
Yeah. Cool.
All right, so rolls down completely, rolls up completely. We are looking all good. As you can see, this gasket's kind of tilted in a little bit. Let's see what I can do with that. Alright, that's probably as good as it's going to get. Hopefully with this heat, it will kind of retrain it. And hopefully this won't kind of work itself back down again. Other than that, just need to get rid of this tape residue here and then on the outside of the window. Alright, so let's go ahead and reassemble all this now that we tested. It's confirmed that it's working, and we're all set on the inside of this here. So again, thankfully with this heat, this glue is still really pliable. Just got to work this right back to where it was. See, with this glue being hot, I can attach this, and it looks like we have never even been in here. Looking really good. This is just soundproofing, prevents the draft from entering or exiting your car, keeps your temperature nice and controlled. All right, so that's it. Here's your door lock. Make sure that comes through the top of this hole here. Everything else should just snap on together with these clips. Alright, so let's go ahead and reinstall our Torx screws here. One here at the top, and then one in the middle, one at the bottom. Pretty straightforward, standard stuff. Last but not least, one over here on the right side. Nice and tight, good to go. All right, trim pieces snap right in place. Bottom one here, again, snaps right in place. We are good to go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.